This position is of course a draw. The goal is to illustrate opposition and outflanking. White wants to go either to h8 or f8, so he's gonna use opposition and outflanking. First of all, he takes the opposition. Black wants to go to the corner to stop white from going to h8 or f8, so we keep the distant opposition. We follow the king, keeping the distant opposition still. And now we can start outflanking, advancing our king. Now the opposition. When he goes to the side, we outflank him. And the opposition again. And now this is just regular outflanking. We saw this already. And now he has to let us to go to either one of those squares. And that's it. Outflanking is going to be useful in many of these endings.